Several elderly residents of Ward 36 in Westville were among those who received wheelchairs today. SACP District Task Team member Mongemi Magala says the initiative is driven by the party's Know Your Neighbor campaign, which aims to identify and assist community members in need. Through its partnership with APD, the organization has been able to provide support to vulnerable residents.
Always encourage our branches, because we've got, as an organization, as a SACP, a Know Your Neighborhood campaign program that runs all the years, throughout the year. It is about knowing what the situation is about your neighbor, who's staying there, what are their circumstances, do they need any assistance. You know, as SACP members, we've got that responsibility through the Know Your Neighborhood campaign. So through that, we have identified a need, of people who need wheelchairs. And because we have a community-based organization, as this branch of the South African Communist Party, then we decided to go out and look for people who can donate wheelchairs, to these people that are in need. And we approached APD, the Association for People with Disabilities here in the Nelson Mandela Metro, and they were willing to assist. And then we gave them the list of recipients, from community members, not just members of our organization. I doubt we have any member in the recipients, for that matter. So this is how this program came about.
The Association for Persons with Disabilities, APD, which provides wheelchairs and support services to people living with disabilities across the metro, says the SACP approached the organization for assistance in supporting vulnerable residents in the city, and APD was happy to assist the party.
We as an organization, ADP, so we are doing AMA assessments for people who are living with disabilities. So we are actually the organization that gives out AMA wheelchairs. So we generally do AMA assessments in different communities around the metro. Then we do AMA handovers to our clients, or the assessment that we have done so far. So we are not only at the ground. So in the ground, we need people who are already there, counsellors. We're working with them. So they identify people who need wheelchairs. Then we have an application form. Then in our application forms, they fill in their details. Then as ADP.
One of the beneficiaries, 50-year-old Noluthando Dingela, who lost a leg due to complications related to diabetes, says receiving a wheelchair will greatly improve her quality of life and allow her to regain some independence around her home.
Nethole ndiyabulela kakhulu ngoba into ezinitshe bengakwazi uzenza kuba bendihamba ngentonga, so ndiziva kamandi namhlanje ingathi kuthulwe into emagxeni ngoba bengakwazi noyaphi bengakwazi uzisebenzela endlini kuba kaloku nawe andina wheelchair. Sihlala kwi-shelter ezimanzi, xa kunetha sikwazi uthini, funeka uhlale phantsi. Ngoku ndiyaqonda into yoba ndizawukwazi nokuziqhuba apha endlini, ndikwazi into yobana mandizenzele into endifuna uzenzela yona.
Another beneficiary is 81-year-old Nombali Madlamba, who is both deaf and blind, and celebrated a birthday yesterday. To her family, the wheelchair is a meaningful birthday gift. Her daughter, Cegizwa Madlamba, says the assistance has brought great relief to the family.
Umthwalo kuba kaloku besinaxa sezimakliniki nasemazibhedlele funeka siqeshe imoto apha endlini imbeke eplankeni complex akhwele ke ngokujikela senze nisenzele lula kakhulu ngokwelitshe lethi bakaloku apha ile ndawo yethu idama amanzi athathe toilet noko kuzaba lula kuba bekahlala wena ukuwa xa siyana kulo toilet noko kuzaba bhetera kakhulu ngoku.
While the beneficiaries expressed gratitude for the wheelchairs, traveling back to their homes remained a challenge due to the poor conditions of the roads in the area. Community member says infrastructure challenges continue to affect the daily lives of residents despite initiatives aimed at improving accessibility in their communities. For Mpuma Kapa TV News, I am Sisipho Mtiki in Gqeberha.